Next, we're gonna go take a look at the wood shop, which is actually outside on the dock. So first, let's exit through the back door, which also a great resource if you want to get in through the back. For the wood shop, it's usually closed and you'll need a lab assistant or a lab technician to let you in. Again, you'll need safety glasses and and you'll need to make sure that in general your hair is tied up, other safety precautions are taken into account. As we come into the wood shop, there's a lot of resources here specifically for working with wood. There's wood stock in the back of the room right there. Feel free to ask a lab assistant or lab technicians if you need to get any 2x4s, 2x6s, so on and so forth, anything you might need for your project and prototyping. There's resources all around to help you prototype with that wood. So for example, there's a table saw right here if you need to cut the wood. There is a X-Carve CNC machine right here, which can be used for prototyping. So you can see the drill bits right here. This is like the bigger version of the Carvey, which we saw inside in the maker bar. If you come down here, there's a sandblasting machine, which can be used to add a finishing touch on aluminum or other metal parts. If you come further down, more wood stock right here, some PVC stock as well. There's a miter saw right here, which can be used for cutting wood. We can see a team working hard at work on their project. In the back right here, there's a tool table with, again, more tools for you to use: screwdrivers, drills, wood, tape, whatever you might need, clamps. On the back right here, we have a planer saw, which can also be utilized. And if we come right here, there is a router, which can do the edges on pieces of wood, so you can make nice, fancy curved edges, different types of edges on wood, on wood pieces as you see fit. And right here, we'll finish off with the planer, which is useful if you want to take a wood piece and plane it down to have a flat surface, or plane it down to decrease the width or the thickness of the piece at all. Again, with all of these machines, it's really important that you have a lab assistant present with you, and you take all the safety precautions into account to make sure that you don't mess up anything or you don't hurt yourself or anyone involved.